Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. This is the fleet update that I've been dying to do. For the last year and so I had a channel. This is one update that I was trying to get out of, but I just could not find the story to publish it. And today is the day I tell the update on my Porsche Boxster. So I'm now at, as you can see over here, I'm at Porsche Cars Auto. This is my mechanic to do my Porsche Boxster. When I say mechanic, you probably would have guessed the Boxster isn't running. The story was I bought the Boxster almost 2 years ago, and for 2 years now it hasn't been running. The engine was fixed and damaged with another mechanic, so I took it to over here, and although I paid for the car wasn't under my name because I could not get the car registered because of the fact the engine didn't run and I couldn't get a transfer done. Well, lately I've managed to find he managed to find a half cut, and half cut found, and we installed the half cut. And today I came to see my friend Mr. Guna, who owns Porsche Cars Auto here, on the update of my Porsche, and the engine is running, bit of work here and there, but I found some exciting news. The news is this: we bought a half cut, and because of MCO, we could not actually go and look at the half cut directly. The fact being the COVID-19 didn't let you inside. When the half cut arrived, he realized it was for a manual. Yes folks, my Porsche is a automatic and we have bought a manual half cut. So you know what that means, right? So Daddy's gonna buy a pedal box for the Porsche, and I'm going to do a manual conversion of my Porsche Boxster. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so anyway, enough talking, I'll show you the car. Here it is at Porsche Car Auto. So they do a lot of Porsches over here, as you can see. Oh my god, you could spend the whole day here just gazing at these Porsches. Old, new, it does everything. Yep, so that's my hardtop, and that's my Porsche Boxster over there. It's a bit dirty from the rain, but you can see the paint is still good. Now obviously I'll get it repainted. As you can see, the engine is back in. Right now it's using the original automatic gearbox, but soon, very soon, once I found the pedal box, it's going to get a manual conversion. Right now I probably will drive this as an automatic until I manage to secure the parts from UK, because I got to get a UK version right-hand drive manual pedal box, and yeah, it's going to be fantastic. Can't wait to get my time being automatic Porsche Boxster on the road, and soon it's going to be a manual.